there! Today we are going to make a glass. So, are you excited for the same? Well, so am I. Let's see what are the instructions here and see the steps to make. At first, we are going to start by making a curve. Well, this curve is looking like the letter S, don't you think so? That's beautiful. Let's make this on the other side as well. And then join both of them. Yes, we are going to make a sleeping line to join it. Can we start by making the straw and then this top part? This is wonderful. Let's make a circle right here. Can you tell me what this is? Well, if this is a lemonade, then this circle is a lemon slice. And if it is a fresh lime juice, then this is sweet lime. Finally, let's make the bottom of the glass. Let's make this inside section now. This looks so pretty. This looks amazing. Now we are going to take our sketch pen and start sketching. So are you ready for sketching? That's amazing. Go right on top of the pencil marks and do not sketch the rough parts. Continue sketching the entire thing in a similar way. This is a lot of fun. Let's make the bottom part now. Continue making these curved lines and then the standing lines. The slice looks so tempting, isn't it? This is lovely. That's great. This looks lovely. Our glass is ready. So let's erase the pencil marks and then start coloring. Let's take an orange color and do an outline only on the left side. After which we are going to take deep yellow color and color right on top. Let's give this an outline and color inside. The left side needs to be a little darker, while the right side is going to be a little lighter. So, for the lighter part, at first we are going to release the pressure from the crayon and color lightly. And then, on top of it, we will take light yellow color and start coloring. Let's take the lightest yellow we have and color inside. Do you see both the colors merging? Yes, that's what the point. We need to merge the colors and color nicely in a shading effect. This looks beautiful. Let's take a very light blue and do it in the straw. This looks lovely. Let's give a glass effect to the glass now. Yes, a crystal effect. So how do we do that? Yes, we can do that with the help of our grey color. Can we do this together? Yes, let's color only some parts which we see on the corner with this and give it a highlight with a darker grey color. This looks brilliant. Let's take a lighter grey and color on top of this. This will help us mellow down the blue shade. We need to make these dots with orange color now. And finally, we are done with the glass.